Hi, I'm Graham Shepherd. I'm an agricultural consultant from New Zealand. I've had 27 years as a research soil scientist. In 2005, I published the second edition of the Visual Soil Assessment System, which provides farmers with a quick, simple, cost-effective technique that empowers them to assess the condition of the soil and the performance of the pasture and overall farm economics in an easy understood format. The open days that we're running here in Wales in the next 4 days takes farmers through 10 visual indicators of soil condition and 10 indicators of plant performance. In terms of soil condition assessments, we're looking at things like soil texture, and the book enables, through looking at a table, the farmer to assess whether they have a silt loam, a fine sandy loam, a loamy sand, whatever the texture is. Very, very indicative of pasture quality. It takes them through assessing soil structure, soil porosity, soil colour, the presence of soil mottles, which is a very, very quick and effective indicator of aeration conditions of the farm. It takes them through assessing earthworms, the number, the size, earthworms and their functionality. It takes them through assessing soil smell as a function of the microbial activity, whether the soil is giving off a hydrogen sulfide, a pungent rotten egg type smell, or whether it's a good earthy rich smell as a result of good biological function. It takes them through the potential rooting depth, the surface ponding effects on the farm, and also surface relief. Are you walking across ankle twisting surface relief, or is it a bowling green? And that immediately gives you an indication of potential problems below ground. In terms of pasture performance assessment, we first look at pasture quality, which is a major component of the pasture assessment. We put a lot of importance on pasture quality and how to assess that. Then we're looking at the nodulation, the clover function, just how well the pasture is functioning, or the clovers are functioning in terms of being either a nitrogen fixer or a nitrogen feeder. And then the next indicator is looking at the pasture colour between the nitrogen urine patches. And so we're looking at the amount of dry matter production and also the colour between the urine patches is a very good indicator of just how well the nitrogen in the sulphur cycle is functioning in the pasture. And then lastly, or not the second to last one, is looking at the droughtability of the pasture. Just how drought resistant the pasture is a function of soil condition. And finally, we build in an economic indicator in terms of the cost of the production costs to maintain the stock carrying capacity required.